love, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because we're going to be doing a full face of different brand. So today's brand, we're actually digging into Revolution makeup. Please stay tuned, we're gonna have so many new looks. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to help you girl out, and make sure you stay tuned for the whole entire week because it's gonna be, we got so many goodies. I'm super excited because there was so nice. It's in this generous package, so I just want to get right into it, put everything on the face. Let's begin. So I'm actually going to start with my brows. I know you guys, I don't have any brow products from them, so I'm just going to use an eyeshadow palette, and the one that we're starting with is this Chocolate Elixir. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but this is the eyeshadow palette. It brings 16 shimmer and matte eyeshadows. Let me just go ahead and open that. This packaging though, you guys, is super cute. Oops. The shades, you guys, super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this shade for my brows. So we're just gonna work with what we got, girl, because this is just fine. You see what I mean, you guys? This worked just as fine, and I actually love using powder on my brows because it's just so much quicker. I don't know why. So we can officially say that these shadows are working magic on my brows, honey. Okay, now let's go ahead and clean them up. Next, we're taking the Revolution Makeup Conceal and Define Concealer, which looks like this. You guys know I do own this and I freaking love it. I have bought it a while ago, and since I bought it, I've been using it since then. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to clean the brows. And of course, we're sticking with the concealer, and we're gonna bring it down to the lid because that's what I use basically to prime the eyelids. And of course, make sure you blend those edges so you don't get any harsh lines. I used to do that so much, you guys, where I used to leave like these harsh lines on the side. Okay, you guys, so my brows are looking bomb. So far, so good. Let's start with the eyes. I'm gonna continue using the same palette right here, which is the Chocolate Elixir. I'm gonna put it somewhere in the screen because I'm pretty sure I don't know how to pronounce it. Lord Jesus, help me, because all my brushes are really dirty. We're starting with the shade Red Velvet right here, and I'm gonna start working that straight onto the crease. As you can see, we're going straight to the crease, you guys. We're not mattifying anything, we're just applying the color right in there. And as you can see, you guys, I'm not posting or putting anything right here on this area. I'm just focusing from the inner to like right there, blending that shade. Okay, my love, next I'm taking the shade Latte right here, and I'm using that shade to diffuse the edges of this color, like slightly applying it. And then I'm just gonna go back with Red Velvet just to create a little bit more depth. So next we're taking the Revolution Flawless 4 eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this shade right here to darken the crease a little bit more, and I'm applying the same shade right on the crease right there without going too far out from the outer crease. Okay, so now back to the chocolate palette. I'm taking this shade right here, which is called Chestnut, and that's the same shade that I use for my brows. I'm just continuing adding onto the crease just to create more depth. Okay, you guys, so for my favorite part, we're gonna cut the crease now. You guys know I love cutting the crease, and that's what we're gonna do today. And I'm actually using the concealer as well, and this is the shade C2 if I'm not mistaken. But we're basically gonna go ahead and clean the crease. This is a very light concealer. As you guys can see, it's kind of like little squirrel. I don't know how to explain things, so it's gonna be really hard for me to explain this method. Okay, just look through it, just look. And now I have to go back with another brush to kind of like clean it up really good. I'm breaking the rules right now because I'm actually going to use a lipstick to create those little bubbly kind of looking bubbles or line or cut crease type thing. I don't know. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take a black liner and create a very thick wing. I'm hoping that this goes well. You guys, I think I went a little bit too crazy. I honestly don't like the little things, or they look so uneven, and it's so hard to get it like right on your crease. We're gonna go on to the face now, and for the face I'm actually gonna be using the concealers just because I don't have foundation from them, so I'm just gonna be using the concealers, and they work actually great. I was applying them here, and I think this might be my color. Hopefully it doesn't go that dark. And this is C10. C9 looks actually lighter than C8. That's so weird. So I'm gonna use C10 as my foundation. Let's see how this works. I'm using C7 for my concealer. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm scared for this because I don't know how it's gonna go. Let's blend everything in. The dark stuff is getting on there. No. do people put all these little dots on their face and be able to blend in like nothing? Like, it looks so much fun, but doing it, it's... I look like a mess. Why did I try to do this? God, why? This is so hard to blend out, you guys. Like, how do people do this? How? And I don't mean the products, it's just like when you put a whole bunch of that all over your face, like, how do you not make your foundation look crazy? The products is actually really nice. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It looks actually really nice. You see, you guys, like, it looks so nice. Like, it looks really good actually. Now let's try to blend my nose before I look crazy. This is a lot. You need a little tiny bit. You don't need too much with this concealer. Oh my god, I'm making myself a brand new nose, so just bear with me. Okay, you guys, so far so good. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the eyes, and I'm starting with the chocolate palette once again. I think I want to start with this one instead, you guys, right here. And I'm gonna apply that right on my lower lash line. This almost look like ice cream, not gonna lie. Okay, you guys, then I'm taking the darker shade, which is chestnut, to apply on the outer lower lash. Just a little tiny bit, and then just a little bit more smudging. Okay, you guys, so the eyes are pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the palette. So I'm taking this very pretty light shimmer shade right here, and I'm gonna be applying that on my inner corners, just a little tiny bit. Okay, you guys, next we're using their champagne liquid highlighter. Apply a little bit. Ooh, this might be too much. Okay, you guys, you literally barely need anything. Like, this is, whoa. Do not let it dry. Make sure you blend it in. Otherwise, oh my god, I'm gonna look so glossy. Oh my god. Oh my god, I almost forgot, you guys. We also have the Revolution Soft X highlighter, which looks like this, and these are super pigmented. Like, they're intense. Look at that. Crazy. Let's put just a little bit. So we do have a lot of options for lipsticks, but I don't know where to go for. Okay, you guys, so I think I'm gonna end up with this final lipstick. I really like the combination of it, although my camera is definitely picking it up more like darker and like orangey tone, but I like it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this first look of this theme week. I truly love the way it turned out, even though I didn't use like everything from Revolution makeup, but I tried to use everything that I had. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video.